head to this website, click on Microsoft Developer, come to Products, click on Office 360. From here, Developer Program, Join Now. Click again, Join Now. You have to log in. If you don't have the logins, you create an account. But with my aspect, I have already logged in. That is why I'm on this page. So here they will ask you to few questions. Choose your country. I'm going to choose Ghana. Company, you can use any company. So Coffee Studio, English name, accept. Click on next. Choose personal project. Next. You have to check all these boxes. Then save changes. Choose configurable sandbox. This one. Don't choose the first one. Choose this one. Configurable sandbox. Next. Again, they will ask you some few questions here. You have to create your username. So Coffee Studio. If you want to create a domain too. Studio. Then create a password. You verify your password. Continue. You have to verify your phone number as well. It will take a few minutes. Congratulations. So now you are here. This is your account, a developer's account. Then you come to the subscriptions. You need to verify the password that you created. Sign in. So this one is done. It is created now. Your Microsoft 365 is set up now. All you need to do from here is to come straight to install apps. click on Microsoft 365. Then the setup will download. After the setup, then you just have to go and install it. Come here, double click, and the installation will begin. With my case, I already have it installed on my machine, but that is the process. So let me get you back. Basically, that is how you use to get free Microsoft 365. So you can come here and search for Word. So as you can see, it is installing, but I will have to cancel mine. Don't cancel yours. I already have it installed. So this is it. Come to File, Account, and from here I can switch the account to the one that we just created. Okay. And you are good to go. This is the account setup, Microsoft Enterprise, everything set. You are okay. You can start with your